Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. We're on the other side now. There's a surfer all the way over there. This is Morro Bay. Jose is sunburnt.
Big time.
Let me do a close up. Look at that. Boom!
The same color as that truck.
Yeah, red. Anyways, big old Morro Rock. Woo!
I would go in there. Go
Okay.
Walk in there.
Huh?
Go as far as you can.
Oh, hell no. Me and Jose, we're at Morro Bay, and we had an incredible few days.
We caught all kinds of fish.
Oh yeah.
Cammy learned how to fish. She didn't catch how she learned how to fish.
He was giving me pointers, which I greatly appreciate. Anyways,
show the view over here. Turn around that, face that way.
Gonna turn you guys around. Look at that. Woo!
That's cool. Look at how red I am. Holy crap!
Look at how short I am.
I'm like a tomato.
But we camped over at Santa Margarita Lake, which is about, what, 30 minutes away from here?
Yeah, 30 minutes, yeah.
And today is our day that we go home, but since we're so close to the coast, we just had to come.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful.
Yeah, look at that.
Morro Rock, guys.
Awesome. So, y'all know me. You know I'm a water person.
Yeah,
that's my sign. That's
you're gonna run in the water for
I
your
am
TikTok
not gonna run
video.
in that damn water. No.
You're gonna go famous on TikTok by
Hell
going
no.
in that water.
I don't have the right equipment. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. No.
Do it for the views.
Hey yo, check this. No. No, if I had sandals on, then I would go out there. But I'm in my work shoes, for goodness sake, that I gotta wash when I get home. Anyways, we were over on the other side fishing for a little bit. Jose caught
A kelp bass.
Yeah.
I don't know what it was. They told me it was a kelp bass.
Yeah.
And we got a lot of bites, but I don't know what they were. We only had 2 hours of fishing?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
pretty
didn't have
much.
that much time.
And it's already, what, 4:46 now? Ooh. I touched water. I touched water. Look at that. It came to me. Yeah.
Called wind sailors.
Wind sailors?
Wind sailors. Cool.
Right on. So we had an awesome time camping out. Nothing but fishing and eating and fishing and eating and maybe a little bit of sleep, fishing and more fishing. Last night we tried to
sleeping while we're fishing.
Sleeping while we were fishing. Yeah, last night we decided that we're gonna go catfishing at night. Oh, we both were in each other's chairs,
We're asleep.
nodding off back in like you would not believe. Oh, here comes the water again. Woo! Look at that. Yeah, I'm not about to get. Yeah, no. So we decided. Long story short, we decided to not do the catfishing because we weren't getting any bites, and we're both falling asleep in our own chairs and stuff, and And mosquitoes, we forgot a bug spray, so mosquitoes were eating us alive. And, oh shit. I'm a water baby, but I don't have the right attire on. So, anyways, my zodiac sign is Scorpio. I'm a water sign. And I never really understood this until here, not too long ago, actually. The reason I'm so drawn to the water is because that's my water sign. Duh. But no, this is where I go when I'm really stressed from work or just everyday life or whatever the case may be. That right there, I will sit on the beach and I will sit there and stare at the waves crashing onto the shoreline for hours. And I haven't been able to do that in God knows how long. So it's really awesome to be able to finish this trip like this. A good end of the trip. Very well said.
You're at the coast, at the water.
Yes, and so needless to say, this vacation has been amazing. I so needed this. And anyways, sorry for all the jumping around, this, that. I hope you all enjoyed. We're gonna have a good one.